Welcome to DiPhyx Dashboard Tutorials. In this video, we will create and run both GROMACS for a simulation called Lysozyme in water, and ParaView to visualize the results of the case. Lysozyme in water simulation introduces beginners to the basic principles of molecular dynamics simulations through the example of hen-egg white lysozyme. To create a GROMACS instance on DiPhyx, first, navigate to the Software Packages page and use the search bar to find GROMACS. On this page, from the drop-down menu, select a proper compute unit that's in the Ready status, then click on Create Instance. On the instance creation form, you'll first see the project name field, where you can customize the name of your project. Next, there's the compute unit volume field. This is the host volume where your project inputs and results will be stored. Here, you can upload the input files for your GROMACS instance by either dragging and dropping them to the dialog box or selecting them from your storage. You can also select your files from the DiPhyx file manager if they have been uploaded previously. In this case, we've included the lysozyme in water data, along with a script file. The next field is project volume, which is related to the volume associated with the software package container. Lastly, we have the run script name field, which is connected to the script file we want to execute on our inputs. After you're done filling out the fields, click Create. After submitting the form, wait a few moments for your instance to be created. Then, navigate to Projects by clicking on the View Projects button to see your newly created GROMACS instance. To start the GROMACS instance, simply click on Start and confirm. Once the project is running, you can check the logs and results by accessing the project details. Now, let's set up ParaView. Go back to the Compute Unit page. To visualize GROMACS results using ParaView, it's best to run ParaView on the same compute unit as GROMACS. This allows you to easily share GROMACS data with the ParaView instance. Click on New Project button on the Compute Unit page. Select Start by Software Package, then select ParaView from the Software Package drop-down menu. Click on Continue. Fill out the ParaView instance creation form by entering the project name, volume, and password. You can also leave the fields set to their default values. After clicking on the Create button, wait for the creation process to complete. Then view projects to start your ParaView instance. Start the ParaView instance, and when it starts running, navigate to its page. On this page, click on the Interactive Session button. This will open a new session where you'll log in. In the ParaView interface, click on the ParaView logo at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on the Open File icon. Navigate to the volume folder where your GROMACS results are stored. Use the PDB reader to open your result files. Finally, enable the visualization features to start analyzing your data. That's how you run GROMACS on DiPhyx and visualize the results with ParaView. This powerful combination allows for detailed analysis of molecular dynamics simulations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.